Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Truro is a town located in central Nova Scotia at the eastern end of the Bay of Fundy region. Often called the hub of Nova Scotia, Truro sits at an important crossroads where major highways and rail lines connect the province's different regions. The town serves as a commercial, transportation, and service center for Colchester County and much of northern Nova Scotia. Today, Truro has a population of roughly 13,000 people, while the surrounding county contains many more residents connected to the town through business, healthcare, education, and recreation. The history of Truro stretches back thousands of years before European settlement.
Thank you very much.
Indigenous Mi'kmaq communities live throughout the region and use the nearby rivers, forests, and tidal waterways for transportation, fishing, and trade. European settlement began during the 18th century after Acadian communities were displaced from parts of Nova Scotia. Scottish, Irish, English, and later Loyalist settlers helped shape the growth of the area into an agricultural and transportation center. Truro officially became a town during the 19th century and expanded rapidly as railway construction transformed transportation across Atlantic Canada. The arrival of the Nova Scotia Railway, and later the Intercolonial Railway, helped establish Truro as one of the most important rail hubs in the region. Goods, passengers, timber, coal, and agricultural products moved through the town, creating jobs and supporting long-term economic growth. Agriculture has always played an important role in the Truro area. The fertile lands of the nearby Salmon River Valley and surrounding countryside supported farming communities for generations. Dairy farming, vegetable production, livestock operations, and other agricultural industries remain important throughout Colchester County today. The region is also known for research and education connected to agriculture through the Dalhousie University Agricultural Campus located in Truro. The downtown area of Truro contains historic buildings, local businesses, restaurants, and public spaces that reflect the town's 19th and 20th century development. Prince Street and Inglis Place form part of the commercial center, while nearby civic buildings, churches, and cultural venues continue to serve residents and visitors. Victoria Park, located near downtown, is one of the largest natural parks inside any town in Nova Scotia and contains waterfalls, walking trails, and forested landscapes. Truro is also known for its connection to the tidal environment of the Bay of Fundy region. The nearby Salmon River experiences strong tidal effects connected to the Minas Basin, one of the areas with the highest tides in the world. Tidal bores occasionally move through local waterways, attracting attention from both residents and visitors interested in the natural forces shaping the region. The town has experienced several periods of economic change over the years. Rail transportation, manufacturing, agriculture, and forestry all contributed to the local economy at different times in history. While some traditional industries declined during the late 20th century, Truro continued to grow as a regional service center, with employment in healthcare, education, retail, government services, transportation, and construction. Housing development has increased steadily throughout the Truro area during recent years as more people move to Nova Scotia and smaller communities outside larger cities become more attractive. Average house prices in Truro are generally lower than those found in Halifax, although prices have risen significantly since the early 2020s. In recent years, average home prices in the Truro region have often ranged between $300,000 and $450,000, depending on the neighborhood, property type, and market conditions. Truro is surrounded by several smaller communities that are closely connected to the town. Areas such as Bible Hill, Valley, Brookfield, and DeBert form part of the broader regional economy and transportation network. Highway access allows residents to travel easily to Halifax, New Glasgow, Amherst, and other parts of Nova Scotia. The town's central location continues to make it an important stopping point and service center within the province. Today, Truro reflects a mix of historic development and modern regional growth. The town continues to balance its transportation history, agricultural roots, and expanding residential areas while remaining connected to the natural landscapes of central Nova Scotia. Visitors to Truro experience a community shaped by railways, rivers, forests, farming, and the continuing role of the town as one of Nova Scotia's most important regional centers. Thanks for watching!